Welcome back. You're tuned into News Now. Bangladesh has slipped into turmoil after PM Sheikh Hasina has resigned. Army has taken over and is set to form an interim government. Sources and multiple reports indicate that Sheikh Hasina's aircraft is already in the Indian territory. Well, let's go across and listen in to what the Bangladesh Army chief had to say on the situation.
আমি সমস্ত রাজনৈতিক দলের নেতৃবৃন্দকে এখানে আমন্ত্রণ করেছিলাম। ওনারা এখানে এসেছেন। আমরা একটা সুন্দর আলোচনা করেছি। সেখানে আমরা সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছি যে একটা ইন্টারিম গভর্নমেন্ট আমরা ফর্ম করব এবং ইন্টারিম গভর্নমেন্টের মাধ্যমে এই দেশের সমস্ত কার্যকলাপ চলবে। আমরা এখন মহামান্য রাষ্ট্রপতির কাছে যাব যে এই ইন্টারিম গভর্নমেন্ট ফর্মের ব্যাপারে ওনার সাথে আলোচনা করে আমরা একটা ইন্টারিম গভর্নমেন্ট ফর্ম করে দেশ পরিচালনা করব। আপনারা সেনাবাহিনীর প্রতি আস্থা রাখেন, সশস্ত্র বাহিনীর প্রতি আস্থা রাখেন। আমি সমস্ত দায়িত্ব নিচ্ছি, আপনাদের জানমাল, এবং আপনাদেরকে আমি কথা দিচ্ছি যে আপনারা আশাহত হবেন না। ইনশাআল্লাহ আপনাদের যত দাবি আছে সেই দাবিগুলো আমরা পূরণ করব।
Well, let's go across to my colleague Samia Kapoor from Times Network, who's joining in with more details on the situation in Bangladesh.
Well, absolutely. We saw it happening in Sri Lanka very recently, not too far away from Bangladesh. It's pretty much the rerun of that, where the people at large, when they carry out mass agitation, when they take to streets against the government in power, well, clearly then the writing is on the wall. And that is exactly what we saw being witnessed in Bangladesh as well, where Sheikh Hasina was compelled to flee the country. We do not really know about her whereabouts right now. There are speculations are rife about the fact that she could either land in West Bengal or in Tripura. A final confirmation is awaited. But in the meanwhile, the Indian authorities have asked their citizens to be careful about travelling to Bangladesh. They have urged them not to travel to Bangladesh. The BSF has also put their team, their troops on alert, especially bordering areas between Bangladesh and West Bengal. It remains to be seen whether at all there's going to be an official statement issued by the Indian authorities over the situation brewing in the neighbouring country. An interim government will take shape. When that is going to happen, we have to wait and see. The army has assured that they have the back of the students. Their demands are going to be heard. They are going to pay heed to what exactly they want, and they have also assured that the demands are going to be met. It's only a matter of time whether at all the army chief will be able to get together a panel of protesting students to carry out a dialogue with them, because he has promised them that there is going to be a dialogue process by which they're going to approach this issue when it comes to jobs and quotas are concerned. But he's requesting the students not to resort to violence, because lives have been lost, over 300 lives lost, and over 100 lives have been lost only in the last 24 hours.